Right now, major tech companies are quietly restructuring their entire workforces. Corporate offices are emptying out, replaced by racks of glowing servers. Traditionally, scaling a company meant hiring more people, but adding headcount creates a bottleneck. More bodies lead to bloated overhead, management complexity, and eventual worker burnout. The current wave of corporate layoffs reflects a deliberate infrastructure upgrade. Companies are replacing manual human labor with autonomous software to bypass traditional growth ceilings. Human physical and mental endurance no longer dictate the limit of business growth. For the modern enterprise, the choice is immediate: adapt the workforce or fall behind. Basic automation relies on rigid if this, then that logic, moving data from input A to output B. It fails with unexpected variables. Agentic AI possesses memory, plans multi-step sequences, and self-corrects. They forge entirely new paths to reach goals. These agents act as digital employees, autonomously logging into your CRM, analyzing years of client history without a prompt, and making informed decisions on pricing or outreach strategy. Software has transitioned from a tool that executes a task into an agent that independently manages an entire business process. To see this transition in practice, consider the standard Sales Development Representative, or SDR, department. Maintaining a sales pipeline manually is a high-friction process. It requires humans to scrape databases, research individual prospect backgrounds across the web, and spend hours on manual outreach. This model is prone to high stress and human error. When humans handle the data entry, high-value leads are frequently lost in unorganized databases, creating a ceiling on how much revenue a team can actually capture. Doubling outreach in this old model requires doubling the headcount. This multiplies payroll and liability without guaranteeing a proportional increase in closed deals. The SDR department is a prime candidate for replacement because its tasks are repetitive, data-intensive, and require 24/7 processing power that humans simply cannot provide. Zev IQ AI replaces this manual structure by deploying a fleet of 20 autonomous AI agents, all managed by a single human operations manager. We connect raw databases to an AI node using N8N, Zapier, and custom scripts. The agent simultaneously crawls profiles, extracting data to draft a hyper-personalized PDF proposal and outreach email. Upon reply, the AI directly blocks a calendar meeting without human intervention. By delegating the repetitive tasks of research, drafting, and scheduling to a fleet of agents, a single manager can maintain a pipeline that previously demanded a 10-person department. This shift in the SDR department is just one example of how agentic systems are changing the macroeconomics of the firm. An agentic workforce provides 3 clear advantages: continuous 24/7 productivity, the elimination of manual data entry errors, and a significant reduction in operational overhead. This chart demonstrates the impact of decoupling growth from headcount. When human labor is no longer the primary driver of output, overhead costs can drop even as revenue continues to climb. This is the path to infinite scale. Growth is no longer restricted by the financial and logistical burden of a massive manual payroll. The companies leading the market tomorrow are the ones deploying software agents today, rather than expanding their human headcount. Zev IQ AI builds these custom-coded digital workers, integrating them directly into your specific operational workflow. To see how these systems can work for you, visit zeviq.ai.co.uk and book a free operational audit. This audit will identify exactly which of your departments can be automated to increase your output and your profit margins. To navigate this corporate shift, businesses must adopt smart systems to achieve infinite scale.